Hello and a happy new year for Boozang. We're gonna start off 2024 by a new major release. We had some requests to update our versioning control, so there's quite a few features there. So when you launch the Boozang tool, if you want to run versioning, remember to enable the source control here in the menu. And then just like Visual Studio, the versioning control will show up here. This new versioning control is much closer to Git and not our homegrown solution. So in the versioning control, we now support management of branches, merge requests, commits and commit history trees, Git add view, very similar to Git status, if you know what I mean. You'll see all your changes and you'll be able to commit the changes as you do them to the branches. And also we support stash and stash pop. As we were doing this, we also realized, well, now there's a lot of stuff in the side menu here that we had under the dot menu, the advanced menu, that got removed. So that allowed us to actually remove that and simplify the sidebar a little bit. Moreover, when we remove that, you're going to see a few new options under the toolbar menu, right? And here you're going to also see that you can check the commit list and updated content for a specific test case, which can be useful. For the import function and export project, you can see that in this menu now. And you also have the style option here, where you can switch again between dark and light mode, and you can use these minimum rows, which are very heavy, but it's good for our overview. So remember to check out these options. They moved a little bit. There is also another more bigger change that we did. Before, we hid a lot of stuff in the menu here under advanced. So instead of that, we've now added, first of all, we added the script tag, which has pre-script, repeat value, and result script under the same sub-tabs, right? And then we added options here where you can set the delay time, and you can also set these more advanced options for a specific action. So things moving around a little bit might be new at first, but I believe that this will simplify the user experience for new users, and it's also going to help you to see when you've done some specific update to a test. So let me illustrate. I'm not now going to add a delay time. I see it here now in the action menu like before, but also now if I do a change here on my options and I remove the delay time, you can still see this little blue dot here that kind of indicates that this has been touched even though you're in a different tab. So let us know if there's more things and changes you want to see, but we think with this new versioning control alongside with these simplifications, we've taken a pretty big step forward.